In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the connector from the mass airflow sensor, push down on this tab and pull backwards. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws. Pull straight up and remove the sensor. Grab the new mass airflow sensor and install it into the air intake box. Install the two Phillips head screws. And snug them down. Install the connector onto the sensor, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, push back on the connector and make sure that it's locked on. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.